Find any song on Snapchat by using the Shazam feature inside the app. In this video we show you exactly how you can know the name of any song just by simply using the Snapchat app. You don't need to download Shazam, you don't need to open other app, you don't need to use 3 phones in order to know the Shazam of the phone one and all those things. But you can really discover the title and the artist from every song from the Snapchat app without any other plugin or other app. And this is incredible because you can do it at the event, you can do it at school, you can do it in the gym. You don't need to open other apps, but if you are already taking stories inside your Snapchat and filming videos at a concert, or maybe you are in the disco and you're filming a Snapchat and you want to know the song of the name directly from the app, in this video, in the next minutes, I will show you exactly how you can do it. And it's very easy because pretty much Snapchat and Shazam, they have done a partnership where the Shazam feature it's included inside the Snapchat camera. And it's very simple, and it's a secret that not a lot of people knows. So the first thing, you need to open your phone and go on Snapchat. While you are on the main screen on your camera, then you need just to hold the screen. It's not important where, but then as you can see on the screen, you will see this music theme that will came up, and then after a few seconds of recording the audio of a song, you will see this next screen right here where you will see exactly the name and the artist of that song. And this is powered by Shazam. It's not an Snapchat feature, it's not an Instagram, it's not SoundCloud or other stuff, but it's a Shazam and Snapchat partnership. And it's really great, especially when you are at events. If you are outside with your friends, or if you want just to take a story, or if you are just typing on Snapchat and then you hear an incredible song, you just need to go in the main screen and do what I've said. And by doing that, you will know exactly the name and the artist of that song. But if you want to get 1000 views or more on your Snapchat stories, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how you can do it. I see you there.